All right, guys, I just wanted to go over number 5 with you. It was a little bit harder to set up. So it says, let's find two consecutive odd integers such that twice the first number is 17 more than the second number. This is right there means equal. So we're making a two-sided equation here. So we have two consecutive odd integers. And when we talked about those today, the first number will be just x. And the second number is going to be x plus 2, okay? But we're saying that the two numbers, we're saying that twice the first number, so here's the first number, so twice the first number is 17 more than the second number. Well, the second number is x plus 2. And if I want to have 17 more than that, I'm just going to add 17 to it. So that should get you started on that one where you're going to end up with variables on both sides. You're going to have to move them over to one side and solve and tell me what the two numbers are. Hopefully that answers your question. If it doesn't, be sure you send me an email asking me some questions, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.